In front of me is Nokia XR20, and let me show you all the camera modes that you can use in this device. So at first, just open the camera app, and let me start from the right side where you've got the cinema mode. To use it, you need to turn your device around, because this is the only position that you can capture the screen in this mode. Just tap on record, and here you've got the better quality, the better version. Also, the stabilization is way better, and you can smoothly use it here. And then grab some good video and put it to some program to make a movie or some short, I don't know, TikTok or Instagram video. Then you can pick standard classic video with zoom in and out option, photo also with zoom in and out option. Also, you've got beauty filter here. This is how you can use it. You can choose portrait, so here you will have the macro option included. You can choose night, so the light, let me show it to you, will be better. And if you tap on more, you will find a few more options. So you've got speed wrap, dual side, so in this mode you can see a picture from both cameras, front and back camera, then action, time-lapse, panorama, if you'd like to grab some wider landscape, also slow motion and camera promote. This is how you can use it. And here you can manage the options, so you've got settings here which can be set up manually if you are a pro camera user, but let me switch it off. And this is it. Obviously you can also use the timer here in photo mode, and this is it. So that would be all camera modes that you can use here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.